Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate AI videos using Google AI Studio. First, open your browser, search for Google AI Studio, and click on the first link. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. On the left-hand side under Studio, click on Generate Media. Here, you'll see Veo, which is Google's AI video generation model. Currently, the platform supports Veo 2, which generates video without audio, and the newer Veo 3. Before generating a video, you can adjust a few options. Number of outputs, 1 or 2. Aspect ratio, YouTube widescreen or TikTok vertical. Duration between 5 and 8 seconds. Optional negative prompts if you want to exclude certain details. Now to create a video, you have two methods. Type your text prompt and click Run. Upload an image and enhance it with motion. Let's try the first one with a text prompt. After running it, you'll get your generated video in just a few seconds and you can download it directly. Now let's try the image method. Go to New Chat, click Upload Image, select your file and write a simple instruction like Add motion to this image. Click Run. Sometimes if Google's servers are busy, you may get an error. In that case, just click Run again until it processes. Once it's done, you'll see the animated video version of your image, and the results can look incredibly realistic, almost like a movie scene. And that's how you generate AI videos in Google AI Studio with Veo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials.